Sweet Tubby taking a cat nap. Tubby was evil Lorette Turple's cat of Kentville. Eva Turple loved Tubby the cat. So does Dennis Ramsay. In the memory of the late great evil Lorette Turple of Kentville. Rest in peace, Eva. It's going to take a lot of time to heal from your passing, says Dennis Ramsay, your boyfriend of 33 years. Rest in peace, Eva. You will be greatly missed. Eva Turple was a staple in the Kentville town. Eva Turple was a fixture in the Kentville landscape. This is true. Tubby misses Eva Lorette Turple. Tubby the cat loved Eva Turple. Eva Turple always called Tubby her little baby. Her baby, Tubby. Love your cats and dogs today. They are part of your family. Eva Turple was Dennis Ramsay's sweet little angel. Eva Turple was heaven sent to Dennis Ramsay. Eva Turple loved Tubby the cat. Tubby used to sleep with Eva, curled up in a round ball. Eva used to pat him and love Tubby. Eva used to get his frisky canned food. Rest in peace, sweet angel. Eva Lorette Turple. You are an icon of Kentville. You are a legend. You were one of the greatest Kentville citizens Kentville town ever had and will ever have. This is true. Eva, we know you're in heaven with the Lord Jesus Christ, sitting at Jesus Christ's table, having your supper. Eva used to go to Open Arms Kentville and have supper. But where Eva had passed on, she'd be at Jesus Christ's supper table with all the disciples and all the good peoples in heaven. In memory of the late, great Eva Turple, this video is made. We miss you, love you. Tubby loves you. Dennis Ramsay loves you too. In the memory of the late, great Eva Lorette Turple of Kentville Town, Canada. This is a tribute video of the truth. Tubby the cat was Eva's cat. You all take care and have a nice day. Bye for now. Sub up the Dennis Ramsay YouTube channel for more Eva Lorette Turple stories. Bye all. Take care. Dennis Ramsay loves y'all. In the memory of Eva Lorette Turple of Kentville, who used to go to the independent grocery store and always was seen at the checkout counter talking to the local people of Kentville. Eva Turple was loved by thousands and thousands of people in Kentville. This is true. Take care. Bye for now. Kentville folk artist Dennis Ramsay, also on YouTube. Check out the Eva Turple stories and the Dennis Ramsay videos of art, music, and more.